Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Swayam Prakash with you always for the development of your English. Let's start the, the topic of this session, the modals. In this session, we'll discuss about the modals. We'll see what are the modals, which are the modals, and the use of modals in this session. First, we'll see what are the modals. Modals are those helping verbs that express the mode of action denoted by the main verb. What is the use of modals? Modals are used to express actions like ability, power, permission, request, possibility, willingness, etc. Which are the modals? The modals are shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need, and dare. It is necessary for us to understand the proper use of modals. When we speak as well rise. When we speak as well as write, we commit serious mistakes in the use of different modals. It is so because most of us do not know certain facts about modals and do not use them according to the rules of grammar, but according to our own convenience. Mistakes are generally committed in the use of shall and will. Wrong use of shall and will can change the meaning of the sentence altogether. So, we will see the use of shall first of all. Shall with the first person is used simply to express simple future tense. When we are not very much sure, shall is used for the first person to express simple future. Generally, first person I କିମ୍ବା we ସହିତ shall future tense ରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ମାତ୍ର ଏଥିରେ କୌଣସି ସର୍ଟେନିଟି ନଥାଏ। ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, I shall buy a car. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କାର୍ କିଣିବି। ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ମୁଁ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ଗୋଟିଏ କାର୍ କିଣିବି। ମାତ୍ର ନିଶ୍ଚିତ କିଣିବି ବୋଲି କୌଣସି ସର୍ଟେନିଟି ନଥାଏ। ହୁଏତ ମୁଁ ବି କିଣି ନପାରେ। Here I am not very much sure that I shall buy a car. Similarly, I shall be 30 next birthday. I shall go there. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଓର ନାହିଁ ଯେ ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଯିବି। ଏପରି ବି ହୋଇପାରେ ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ନ ଯାଇପାରେ। Likewise, we shall come tomorrow. Here also we are not very much sure that we must come tomorrow. It may happen we may not come tomorrow. ଆମେ ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ଆସିବୁ। ଏହା କହିବା ବେଳେ ବୁଝାଉ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କାଲି ଆସିବୁ। ହୁଏତ କୌଣସି କାରଣରୁ ଆମେ କାଲି ନ ଆସି ବି ପାରୁ। But if we use will with the first person to express the future actions, there is the certainty here. For example, I will go there. That means I am very much sure that I must go there. ଏଠାରେ I will go there ର ଅର୍ଥ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବି। ସେହିପରି we will meet him. ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା କରିବୁ। Shall is used with second and third person to express simple future tense with certainty. ନିଶ୍ଚିତତା ବୁଝାଇଲା ବେଳେ shall ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଏବଂ ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସହିତ सिंपल फ्यूचर एक्सप्रेस करिया पई व्यवहार करा जाई थाए। फॉर एग्जांपल यू शाल कम हियर टुमोरो। एहार अर्थ तुमे निश्चित भाव में काली एठाकू आसीबो। यू शाल स्टार्ट ए न्यू बिजनेस नेक्स्ट मंथ। एहार अर्थ से आसंता मासरे एक नुआ बिजनेस निश्चित भाव में आरंभ करिबो। शाल कैन बी also used with second and third persons to express threat, permission, promise, command, determination. shall second person एवं third person सहित threat, promise, command, determination आदि बुझाइबा पई व्यवहृत होइथाए। For example, you shall be punished if you do not change your habits. It is a threat. तुमे जदि तुमर अभ्यास परिवर्तन न करिब तुमे दंडित हेब। यह एक थ्रेट बा वार्निंग। You shall have a holiday tomorrow. It is a promise. तुमे आसंता काली गोटे छुट्टी पाइब। यह गोटे प्रॉमिस। He shall be given a reward for his bravery. It is also a promise. He shall pay you on Monday. It is also a promise. You shall go to meet him tomorrow. It is an order or command. तुमे काली तांकू देखा करिवाकू जिब। यह एक ऑर्डर किंबा कमांड दिया गला। Similarly, candidates shall remain in the class until the bell rings. It is also an order or command. He shall work hard to achieve success. It is a determination. You shall do what I say. It is also a determination. The negative form of shall is shall not. We use shall not in second and third persons to denote prohibition or a negative command. For example, you shall not meet him. कौनसी कार्य करिया पई बारण करुथिले आमे सेकेंड पर्सन एवं थर्ड पर्सन सहित शाल नॉट व्यवहार करिथाउ। जेपरिकी यू शाल नॉट मीट हिम, तुमे तांकू देखा करिबो नाही। The use of shall with first person in interrogative form express the idea of knowing the willingness of the other person. अन्यर इच्छा जानिबा पई इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस रे फर्स्ट पर्सन सहित शाल व्यवहार करा जाय थाए। फॉर एग्जांपल, शाल आई ओपन द डोर फॉर यू। इट्स मीनिंग, डू यू वांट whether I shall open the door or not. Similarly, shall I carry this box into the room for you? It means, do you want whether I shall carry this box? The use of shall in third person also expresses an idea of working as per the wish of the others. अन्यर इच्छारे काम करिया पई आमे थर्ड पर्सन रे शाल व्यवहार करिथाउ। फॉर एग्जांपल, शाल रहीम वेट फॉर यू। इट्स मीनिंग, डू यू वांट रहीम टू वेट फॉर यू? सिमिलरली, शाल द मैसेंजर वेट आउटसाइड? दैट मीन्स, डू यू वांट द मैसेंजर टू वेट आउटसाइड? नेक्स्ट वी विल सी द यूज ऑफ विल. Generally, we use will in second and third persons to denote simply future actions. Here, there is no certainty. For example, you will work here. This means it is not very much sure that you will work here. तुमे एठारे काम करिबो। एहार अर्थ नुह जे तुमे निश्चित भाव एठारे काम करिबो। Similarly, he will go tomorrow. से आसंता काली जीव। एहार अर्थ से काली निश्चित भाव में जीव बोली कौनसी ନିଶ୍ଚିତତା ନଥାଏ। ସେ ହୁଏତ ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ନ ଯାଇ ବି ପାରେ। ବଟ୍ will is used with the first person to express the future actions with certainty. ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସହ ୱିଲ୍ର ବ୍ୟବହାର ସର୍ଟେନିଟି ବୁଝାଇଥାଏ। ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, I will go there. This means I am very much sure that I will go there. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବି। ଏଠାରେ ଏହା ବୁଝାଉଅଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବି। ସେହିପରି we will meet him. ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା କରିବୁ। Will is used with the first person to denote threat or warning, promise, determination and intention. Will first person ସହ threat or warning, promise, determination ଏବଂ intention ବୁଝାଇବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଥାଏ। For example, I will see you. It is a warning or threat. Similarly, I will kill you. It is also a warning or threat. I will pay you on Monday. It's a promise. I will surely help her. It's also a promise. I will never tell a lie. It's a determination. I will succeed in the exam. It's also a determination. I will go to Mumbai tomorrow. It is an intention. I will not steal. It is an intention. Will is also used for formal request. ସାଧାରଣ ଭାବରେ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ will ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ। ଯେପରିକି will you close the door? Will also expresses probability with all the persons. Its negative form is will not or contracted form won't, denotes refusal. will ର ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ଫର୍ମ will not ବା contracted form won't ମନା କରିବା ଅର୍ଥରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଥାଏ। For example, I won't go there. He will not sanction your leave. You won't get the chance. Won't or will not in interrogative denotes invitation. For example, won't you have a cup of tea? It means I want you to have a cup of tea. Will in third person denotes a general habit. For example, the girls will talk. It's a general habit. In this session of the video, we saw the use of shall and will in different cases. In the next session, we will discuss about should and would. Thank you all.